Did you know, even though India has strict safety standard regulation, but the enforcement of those standard and regulation is very weak. In 2022 to 23, FSSAI tested more than 1.77 lakhs consumer products. Within those, more than 44,000 products failed the product safety test. That nearly 1 in 4 products you use daily. That's scary. You know why? Because food to cosmetic products, utensils to baby products, hidden toxin, adulterants and harmful chemicals can be lurking inside, and those thousands of unsafe products are reaching to us and many people have no idea about it. And the problem is, every single day new products are being launched by big celebrities and influencers, and we trust their products because they have brand values or face values, right? See, those products may have BIS or FSSAI mark on their products, but as a consumer, you should demand their product test report, and that product test report can be manipulated. Remember that. And they can show fake test report to consumer. That's why we should check whether their test reports are coming from government authorized test lab or official portal of Government of India like Consumer Affairs. Why I always pressurize on consumer product test report? Because we know the reality, okay? Ingredient section में कुछ और, packaging के अंदर कुछ और. But you should know that sometimes it's unintentional, but many times it's intentional. So when manufacturers see loopholes like weak enforcement of regulations, they will take advantage of them, right? Normal human tendency, चांस पे डांस सभी मारना चाहते हैं. That's why products have to be tested. मेरा तो ये मानना है ही. सियारा का क्या कहना है आप खुद ही सुन लीजिए.
Products have to be tested, and I can say this from my personal experience. A bunch of different demos that we've had where people are trying to improve their quality control or their supply chain, seeing the mistakes that pretty much are the things where they thought, hey, there's nothing wrong with this particular product, and then me testing it and saying, actually, I think it's not the same as the one you're saying it is. This just happens in demos sometimes where we're saying, yeah, we actually just found something that's a little bizarre. That's why we need to test products. We cannot take it for granted. And I would even say that I think a lot of supply chains and quality controls need to be kind of like modernized a little bit, especially as consumerism increases, because I think it's easy to miss certain things. And I mean, I've talked about this a few times, but I really like the idea of something quick, fast, being able to identify what's wrong consistently. We definitely shouldn't be trusting what's on the label. But that's me as a chemist. That's just my opinion. I've seen a lot of stuff. Not going to name names because that's not why we're here, but I have seen a lot of things just from a demo perspective. And I can say that I personally will not be using the product unless I know it's been third-party tested.
I totally agree with Sierra. We need more testing labs in India, and we need faster and accurate testing method or technology so that we can get accurate or reliable test report quickly. We need consumer product test report like EU and UK so that you can choose best product for your family. तो इसीलिए मैं तो मेल कर करके थक गई हूँ. आप लोग भी थोड़ा मेल कीजिए.